Hey friends, if the Windows 11 camera is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, there is an option to lock cameras on Windows computers, and that is amongst the function keys like F1 to F12. It isn't fixed, it depends on the brand of the computer, but you can understand it by observing the symbol. Now, interestingly, these function keys work when you press the FN key along with them. The second solution is to check whether the correct camera is selected. Here's what happens. I'll show it on this Skype app here. So I'll click on these three dots here and I'll select settings. I'll go to audio and video and I will scroll down and the microphone is selected at default communication device, and there must be something for the camera as well. Yeah, so it doesn't show my picture here, it's all black. Why? Because it uses the EOS webcam utility, and this comes with Canon. It can be any other camera utility as well. So once it is installed on your system, once its drivers are installed on your system, then it will automatically pick it as the default camera. And if you wish to shift it back to your laptop camera, you can do it using the drop down menu. Now, as you can see, my picture is visible here. The next solution is to check the permissions for the app. And how do we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the privacy and security section on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select camera. And now we have the list all applications here, and make sure that the application in use is turned on, and so is camera access. The next solution is to troubleshoot the camera. And how do we troubleshoot the camera? Right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, go to cameras in the right pane, select the camera and then make sure that it's working here, and then click on troubleshoot. And then you can troubleshoot the camera. The last solution is to reinstall the camera drivers, or actually update the camera drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of camera adapters, right click on the active camera, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.